Where did he go? The white, the black guy that went in here. Come on, man. Say you not going to go, bro. Hey, hey, drop the gun. Drop it. Stop. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I will get on the fucking ground.
Yes, sir. That was not my gun, though.
Get on the fucking ground. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
You understand me?
Tell us that's not my gun, bro.
Get on the fucking ground. Stay on your fucking feet.
Bro, that's not my gun, bro.
6680. I got one detained. I'll be by the
That's not my gun, bro.
Dollar General by the laundromat.
That's not my gun, bro.
American.
I had to pick it up, bro. That's not mine, though.
Put your hands behind your back.
That's not my gun, bro.
Turn around.
That's not my gun, though.
Turn around.
Bro, that's not my gun. It wasn't even my possession.
Turn around.